Whoop Review, best way to make money online reveals in 2025. So Whoop is a digital marketplace where creators sell access to products such as courses, communities, tools, and subscriptions. It handles checkouts, recurring billing, and user management. So if we talk about the legitimacy, or is it a scam? Legit platform like founded in 2021, backed by investors, boasting thousands of sellers and millions of users, and mixed reputations like Trustpilot average 3.6 out of 5. Many praise support and smooth UX, especially for sellers. Triple B not accredited, but several users note reliable payouts, while some complain about withheld funds or blocked accounts. And the positive feedbacks are fast onboarding and payouts and responsive support. And the red flags or the user complaints are account suspensions, users report being banned after withdrawal attempts, and sometimes labeled as voting with little recourse. And dispute and refund issues. Some buyers say refund options don't work, and uneven content quality as a marketplace who hosts cater to varying a reliable, some suspicious or unlikely to deliver value. So Whoop itself appears legitimate, a functional, Stripe-backed digital marketplace with solid tooling and good user experience for many. However, it comes with significant risk, mixed quality creators, real issues with account bans, dispute solutions, and withdrawal. And support is praised but also criticized as inconsistent. So, who will be, the best way to make money online for creators, for buyers, not a scam by design, but one that requires caution and smart usages. So legit platform, strong infrastructure, account suspension, refund, dispute, frustrations, shady creators are the risks, and recommendation for good for digital sellers and buyers, but only after careful vetting and starting small. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.